everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a Steam gift card. So when you open up Steam, what you want to do is go on over to where it says Games on the top and select this. And then you can see redeem a Steam wallet code right here. But we also have activate a product on Steam right here if you have like a product code for a game. But let's go to redeem a Steam wallet code right here. Enter in your Steam wallet code to add funds to your Steam wallet. So just simply type it in here and go to continue. Now if a gift card you attempt to redeem is not in your currency, it will automatically be converted to your redeemable region. Now all gift cards, currencies can be redeemed in all regions. So just heads up, if you bought a gift card in like the United States and then brought it over to like China or something, maybe there might be an issue. So you might want to do that in the same country that you buy it from. And then you should be able to see your wallet balance over here and your account details. Then we can scroll on down and here are some frequently asked questions. And where can I purchase Steam gift cards and wallet codes? Okay, you can find those right there. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.